Manipur University के Department of Zoology ना भारत विकास परिषद का खुदसमनरगा training capacity building program on entrepreneurship development through aquaponic HAIBA team da Numit Humni Chathagadaba training program among Ngasi Houdokkhre University asigi court holder pangthokhiba training Houdokpagi thoram aduda University asigi Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra na hai Ngasi pangthokliba training program asina fish farmers singda achoba kanaba ama piba ngambata natana lam asida research tawriba scholar kayadasu kanaba piragani Lamdam asi tongan ba hiramda mangjin tharabaso economic development tade fibam phana leiba ngamdabage mawong abada leire adubo haukiba chahi khara asida ahongba khara laktuna chawkhat maikaida changsilakli Act is policy na so economic development ta ahongba kaya ama lakhali haina so mahakna makhata ki
I also agree that in the last 75 years after India's independence, for some reason or the other, the state of Manipur has not been very successful in pushing through programs of economic modernization. Manipur has done well in the field of culture, in the field of sports, in the field of physical culture, in the field of health sciences, because the best mind in the state joined the field of health sciences. About 10 years back, I was very confident that Manipur was about to take off in the field of economic modernization because the Act East policy was going very well. There were regular movement of, economic vehicles up and down from Dimapur, from Jiribam to Moreh. Very active economic activities were there. Many people in the state, irrespective of gender and age, they were very restless to take up initiatives for income generation, for profit, for modernization of their way of life. But for some reason or the other, the entire thing now has again been slowed down.
Thoromaduda Kaugi Hanagi VC Professor Premjit School of Life Sciences ke Dean Professor Devananda Ningthozam EMRC के Director Amade Botany के Head of Department Professor Kanan Bala Sarangthem Amade Directorate of Cold Water Fisheries Research BIMTAL के Director Dr. Pramod Kumar Pandey Amade Assistant Professor Dr. Rameshwari Yumnam Su Saruk Yakhe Training atu da Saruk Yakhiba Singh da input material Singshu Yenthokhe